In this video, we're going to be installing the Smittybilt Atlas doorstep. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. We're going to be installing the Smittybilt Atlas doorstep into my 2018 JL. Let's go ahead and get this open. Atlas doorstep by Smittybilt. Easy installation, non-slip, 5-year warranty, it's light textured, a 3-stage treatment, 2-stage powder coating, special E-coat inside and out, acid dipped to remove impurities. £350 capacity. And you can use it as a bottle opener too. It brings 2 units. It's lightly textured. Brings its own bolts. Four for one set, 4 for the other set. It brings rubber gaskets. Not sure what these are for, but we'll figure it out as we go. There are 2 ways to do this. You can tip up the door so your bolts stay lined up, or you can remove the door and install the step with the door removed. And that's what I'm going to do. Jeep provides a tray to store your bolts. And that's what I'll be using. I'm using a T50 to take out the door bolts. Now I did loosen them while the door was attached to the Jeep. Just makes it easier. So I figured out where these washers go. They sit right on the door hinge. Now that we got our washers in place, let's go ahead and put the doorstep on. Line them up with the hose. Smittybilt provides a bolt to attach the doorstep to the door, same color, along with a flat washer. Just gonna go ahead and hand tighten these. The Smittybilt bolts are T30. Okay, let's go ahead and attach the door back to the Jeep. Now that the door is attached, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the 4 bolts. And here you have it, the Smittybilt Atlas doorstep. It's nice and sturdy. Let's go ahead and climb on it. Nice and sturdy. You can definitely put things up here, wash your vehicle, whatever it is that you need to do. Now let's go ahead and install the other 3. Since these factory bolts are painted, the T50 does not go in, so I hammer it in. It's the way I do it. This is just to loosen the bolt. It's just to break it loose. Bolts are all loose. we're gonna go ahead now and insert the door's outer bolt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the outer bolt with the T30. I got the second door step installed. Let's give it a try. Nice and sturdy. Excellent. On to the third door, which is passenger front. On to the fourth and final door, which is passenger back. Hello everybody. By the time I finished last night, it was too dark for me to film. I just want to show you the final product. Driver's side, backseat driver. Let's go over to the other side. Let's do a full size shot. Passenger side, back seat, passenger. I like the look the brackets give the Jeep, and access to the roof of the Jeep. There you have it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Till next time.